In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Edge opening automatically in Windows 10 and 11. This is a common issue that can be quite frustrating, but with a few simple steps we can resolve it. So let's dive right into it. First, we'll focus on turning off a particular feature in Microsoft Edge called Continue Running in Background. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. You'll want to head straight to the three-dot icon located in the top right corner. This is your menu button. Once you click that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now we're in the settings and you'll want to navigate to System and Performance. In this section you'll see an option labelled System. Go ahead and click on it. Within the system settings, you're going to want to find the toggle for continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Simply switch this off, which should help address part of the problem. While you're here, there's another optional feature you might want to consider called Startup Boost. This feature can enhance the startup speed of the browser, but sometimes at the expense of automatically launching Edge at unexpected times. It's up to you whether you want to keep this feature on or turn it off, depending on your needs. Next, let's take a look at your Windows settings to fine-tune the startup behavior. You'll need to press the Windows key and the letter I simultaneously, which will bring up the Windows settings menu. From here, head over to Apps and then find the Startup section. In this list, look for Microsoft Edge. If you see that the toggle next to it is set to on, that means Edge is set to start automatically when your computer boots up. You'll want to switch this toggle to off to prevent that from happening. And there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to stop Microsoft Edge from opening automatically on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. By adjusting both the Edge browser settings and the Windows startup settings, you should be able to maintain control over when and how Edge is launched. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned to this channel for more helpful tips and guides. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.